believe that faith in God gives meaning and purpose to human life, that the brotherhood of man transcends the sovereignty of nations, that it calls.
I, Sakura,
Do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that I will faithfully execute
that I will faithfully execute
the office of JCI Cambodia Mekong
the office of JCI Cambodia Mekong
and will, to the best of my ability,
and will, to the best of my ability,
serve as living example
serve as living example
of the organization, philosophy and belief.
philosophy and beliefs.
Thank you.
Thank you. I, Sakura,
I, Jennifer,
do solemnly swear that
do solemnly swear that
I will faithfully execute it.
I will faithfully execute
The office of JCI Cambodia Mekong
the office of JCI Cambodia Mekong
and will, to the best of my ability,
and will, to the best of my ability,
serve as a living example of this organization,
serve as a living example of this organization,
philosophy and belief.
philosophy and belief. Thank you.
Thank you.
JCI Cambodia Mekong 2022